In 2025, the 2025 Nissan Leaf EV, which represents Nissan's dedication to sustainability and useful daily driving, is still a major player in the electric vehicle industry. The Leaf, one of the first widely available electric cars, has had a number of upgrades to improve its technology, performance and range, positioning it as a serious competitor in the rapidly changing EV market. The 2025 Nissan Leaf's exterior features modernized stylistic hues that mirror its contemporary electric nature, although it still has the iconic small hatchback shape. The vehicle design is more aerodynamic and streamlined, which enhances efficiency and range. The revised grille and swelled LED headlamps that define the front end give it a modern appearance without sacrificing the distinctive Nissan flair. Next, a high-capacity battery pack and an electric motor power the cutting-edge electric drivetrain of the 2025 Leaf. One of the main concerns for prospective EV customers is addressed by the enhanced model, which delivers an even better range than the regular configuration, which is anticipated to go up to 226 miles on a single charge. Fast charging technology, which the Leaf supports, enables quick recharge at high-speed charging stations, greatly decreasing downtime and increasing the vehicle's sustainability for long-distance driving. The inside of the 2025 Leaf EV is spacious and well organized, with a focus on comfort and convenience. There is enough space inside for both people and baggage thanks to the large design and premium materials. A touchscreen infotainment system that incorporates Nissan's most recent technology, such as media controls, navigation and connectivity capabilities, serve as the focal point on the interior. The system's flawless smartphone connectivity is made possible with compatibility for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The Leaf also has a number of driver assistant technology, an automated temperature control system, and a rear view camera. The 2025 Leaf prioritizes safety, and as such it is equipped with a number of cutting-edge driver assistance systems that are designed to increase overall security. Adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, and lane departure warning are included as safety features.